Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today we are gonna do one of the Earth and Crystal Science kit. So today we are gonna do bubbling ocean volcano. So let's see what we need. The equipment: tray, spatula, and cup. Here we have all of the things we need. Now materials from the kit: baking soda, citric acid, and blue color. So now we are gonna take it out. Baking soda, citric acid, and blue color. Make sure you take the help of your parents because it is very dangerous. Materials from your home. We need only water. Now we have water. Now let's do. First we need to place the tray down on a flat surface, then sprinkle 2 scoops of baking soda inside the tray. Now we need the tray. Let's remove all the things. Now we have the tray. Now we have to put 2 scoops of baking soda. Next, take a cup and fill it with water, then add 5 drops of blue color into the water and mix. So we're gonna take a cup and let's add water. Let's add blue color. Wow, looks so nice in the water. Remember, we need to add 5 drops. Let's mix it. Oh, the color is so nice of the water. Pour the contents of the cup into the tray. Then sprinkle 2 scoops of citric acid into the tray. Let's add water. Wow, looks even more beautiful in the tray. Let's sprinkle 2 scoops of citric acid. Look guys, it's bubbling. Looks like there's a lava inside this water. Wow, looks so nice in the tray. Guys, so nice. See the color and it's like bubbling, so nice. It looks so nice from here. And remember, always take help from your parents to do this because it may cause disease on your hands and then your body.